Thank you very much. Thank God I'm here. Thank you. Thank you.
Oga, wait, Oga! Hey! Calm down, open the window. You don't remember me again. Why you do me like this? Okay, don't go get another shower. That's what I'm like. I'm just going to come in. You know, enter. That's what you do your matter. That's what you do your matter.
I will take you off.
I don't like that. Stop. Okay, you're taking of this man.
I will take you off.
No, that's not for years.
I will take you off. I will take you off. I will take you off.
You think say they why? Move on.
I will take you off. I will take you off. I will take you off.
I show what? You know what? You show go.
I will take you off. It's my wife. It's my wife. It's my wife.
It's your wife. Okay, call your wife. Stop. I don't want to stop you. Stop waiting. Why they can't give me money? Give me money. I don't like business play. I don't like business play. But I don't like business play. You start playing with that one. You can't be still. You don't pay.
God have mercy.
He carry me for years. You know me like money. You do so transfer for me.
Don't worry, I will take you off.
Babe, give me the transfer. I'm giving you money. Also free man. You don't get another shower. Also free.
I will take you off.
I will take you off.
I will take you off. Don't worry.
Because someone shower girl. I don't like person when they use the business they play for me. Use money.
Bro, don't worry, I will take you off.
Babe, do it now. Look at what you. I don't give you best.
How much?
Just take it.
It's okay. I will take you off it. No, I will take you off it. Don't worry. I will take you off it.
I know you have to pay me money. Don't transfer. This is for shopping.
No, it's not like that.
Don't tell her with me. What's wrong with you?
Who did this one?
You told me you're gonna bust your throat. Don't tell her with me. I'll quit for myself. Don't tell her with me. You think say they why? Don't play me for today.
When you say work, sis, sure. What did happen? You don't know say
Mother, give my money. Mother. That was blood.